Are synthetic shorts a tool in your arsenal? I see stocks like Coinbase getting overextended. And if we do get a bit of a crypto winter again, I would expect Coinbase to get crushed like it did in 2022. Very good. Thanks for everything you do on team. Yeah, this is so synthetic shorts are like a double-edged sword. I actually tried to do one on Circle at 270, and I could not make it work. Okay. First of all, the options pricing was completely out of whack. The cost of the puts was outrageous. The calls were crummy. So basically, to do a synthetic short, you want to buy the put and you want to sell the call to fund it. It's just nothing worked out for me. I ran through so many simulations for about an hour, and the most I could make in the trade was like 30%, given where I thought the Circle price was going to go to the low 200s, and it wasn't worth it. The options pricing was out of whack. And one of the cool things about SLs is when you sell puts, and even if the stock stays flat, they go to zero. And that means you take a lot of risk off the table. With these puppies, though, it's another story as well. The problem with synthetic shorts, it is a sharper knife, and you do have unlimited loss potential. Okay, if you sell a call and you are not long the asset, you can get wiped out. Okay. Also, you have asymmetrical volatility exposure. And the problem is as well, doing this in a bull market is very dangerous. Remember, the shorts, a lot of people who are perma bears, they only know one game, and that's kind of doom and destruction and number go down. They are very pessimistic people. The problem is they get wrecked 85% of the time. The market's full 15% of the time. But you want to be long most of the time. So be very, very careful with synthetic shorts. You also need a truckload of margin, and I like to use it going long instead most of the time. I do play games, but also collars would be a good option here as well. But the options pricing has to be correct in order to do that.